Hi everyone, we are going to start Cambridge International AS and A Level Pure Mathematics 1 paper for the session May-June 2025. Let's move to the question number 1. The equation of the curve is such that dy over dx is equal to 12 times 2x minus 5 whole square plus 8x. It is given that the curve passes through the point 2, 4. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, we are given dy over dx and we need to find the equation of curve, means we need to find y. So dy over dx is given, so we can write it dy over dx is equals to 12 times 2x minus 5 whole square plus 8x, and this one is equals to 12 times 4x square minus 20x plus 25 plus 8x, and dy is equals to the 12 times 4x square minus 20x plus 25 plus 8x, and dx will be switched on the right side. To find the equation of the curve means we need to find the y. So y can be calculated by applying integration. Integration of dy is equal to integration of 12 times 4x square minus 20x plus 25 with respect to dx plus integration of 8x dx, and this one will be equals to y, and 12 will be multiple, and integration of 4x square is equals to the x to the power of 3 4 times over 3 minus 20. Integration of x is x square over 2 plus integration of 25 is 25x plus 8 times integration of x is x square over 2, and there should be some constant. Now multiply with 12, we will have 12 times 4x cube over 3 minus 12 times 20x square over 2 plus 12 times 25x, and this one will be equal to 4. So plus 4x square plus 3. Solving further, we will have 4 here, and this one will be equal to 6. So 4 times 4 is 16x cube minus 120x square, and this one will be equals to plus 300x plus 4x square plus c. So this is the equation of y, or you can say that it is the equation of the curve, but there is an unknown c. So this unknown c can be calculated by using the given information, which says that the curve is passing through the point 2, 4. So in this case, we can say that we have the 2, 4. So this point satisfies the curve equation. So we can plug these values in the given curve equation. So y is equals to, this one is y and this one is x. So 4 is equals to 16 times 2 cube minus 120 times 2 square plus 300 times 2 plus 4 times 2 square plus c. 4 is equals to 16 times 8 is 128 minus, and 120 times 4 is 480 plus 300 times 2 is 600, and 4 times 4 is plus 60 plus c. So we will have 4 is equal to 264 plus c, and c will be equals to negative 264 plus c, and c is equal to negative 260. So we have calculated the constant c, which is negative 260. Now plug this constant c in equation 1, and we will have the equation of the curve. So y is equal to 16x cube minus 120x square plus 300x plus 4x square minus 260 plus negative 260. Further solving, we will have y is equals to 16x cube negative 120 and plus 4 is negative 116x square plus 300x minus 260. So this is the required equation of the curve